Social Science, 8th Standard, Political Science. Chapter 22. Democracy. Exercises. 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. 1. The word democracy is derived from demos and crasher words. 2. The minimum age to vote in India is 18 years. 3. The elections conducted once in 5 years, in a routine manner is termed as general elections. 4. The institution that conducts election to local bodies is State Election Commission. 2. Answer the following questions briefly. 5. What are the advantages of democracy? Answer. The advantages of democracy are as follows. 1. It protects the rights and independence of the people, through an independent judiciary. 2. It is based on the principles of equality. 3. It provides an opportunity to people to involve themselves in decision making and framing laws. 4. People elect representatives and the government of their choice. 5. Decisions are taken after debate and discussions. Decisions are based upon public opinion. 6. Opposition checks the misuse of power by the government. 7. The fundamental rights provide an opportunity for the development of the personality of an individual. 8. It develops nationalism, patriotism, and respect to people and creates unity in the midst of diversity. 6. How is direct democracy different from indirect democracy? Answer. Direct democracy. A. The people directly participate in electing their government, making policies and laws for their own progress and development. B. It is practiced only in countries of small size and population. C. It becomes more effective through referendum and initiative. Indirect democracy. A. The people elect their representatives through periodical elections and send them to legislative bodies. B. It is most suitable in bigger nations, like India, USA and such other nations. C. The representatives involved in the process of law making and also control the administration. 7. What is universal adult franchise? Answer. In India, voting right is provided to all people, aged 18 and above, regardless of caste, qualification, creed, religion, language and gender. This is called universal adult franchise. 8. List out the essential factors for the success of democracy. Answer. The essential factors for the success of democracy are: 1. People should have an urge to protect democracy. 2. People must always be vigilant. 3. Tolerance is one of the basic qualities needed for the success of democracy. They must work with the spirit of give and take. 4. Success of democracy depends upon good leadership. The leaders must possess the qualities of service, patriotism and spirit of sacrifice. 5. Efficient opposition party keeps the government alert. It checks the ruling party from becoming dictatorial. 6. Well-informed and educated electorate contribute to the success of democracy. 7. Success of democracy depends upon the role of the people. People must compulsorily vote and elect efficient and non-corrupt leaders. 8. Free, fearless and unbiased press contributes to the success of democracy. 9. Well-organized, efficient and responsible local bodies strengthen democracy. 9. Why an efficient opposition party is essential factor in the democracy? Answer. Efficient opposition party keeps the government alert. It checks the ruling party from becoming dictatorial. 10. Mention the merits of democracy. Answer. Merits of democracy are: 1. It protects the rights and independence of the people through an independent judiciary. 2. It is based on the principles of equality. 3. It provides an opportunity to people to involve themselves in decision making and framing laws. 4. People elect representatives and the government of their choice. 5. Decisions are taken after debate and discussion. Decisions are based upon public opinion. 6. Opposition checks the misuse of power by the government through debates, discussion, criticism, review, and protest. 7. The fundamental rights provide an opportunity for the development of the personality of an individual. 8. It brings about a peaceful change of government through elections and thus reduces the danger of revolution. 11. Why are the periodical elections necessary in democracy? Answer. In democracy, people are the ultimate source of sovereignty and government derives its power from them. Therefore, periodical elections are held to provide an opportunity to the people to choose better representatives through elections. Periodical elections prevent the dictatorship. 12. The success of democracy depends on the voters. Discuss. Answer. Success of democracy or government depends on the voters. So, voter must not come under the influence of caste, creed, and money or muscle power while voting. The voter must be careful while choosing a candidate. He must choose the candidate with good qualities and capabilities. Good candidates make the good government. Good government keeps the nation good. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.